Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPad so you can play Fortnite or any other game, but this is going to be demonstrating Fortnite. First, go into your Bluetooth settings on your iPad. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Your PS4 controller is going to talk to your iPad by Bluetooth connection. Then, once that's on, take your PS4 controller, hit the PS4 button and the share button at the same time. This will sync up the iPad to your PS4 controller. They'll talk to each other and it just works. That's all you need to do. It's really easy, it's very fluid. And I was wondering when I set this up today for the first time, I wonder how many settings I'm gonna have to calibrate on the controller. Well, none. Let me get a quick drink here. That was lame, I know. Whatever. Anyway, as soon as I set it up, the controller just worked. Just like it does on the PS4. I didn't have to set up anything in particular whatsoever. You can, though, if you want. You can fully customize the controls however you want, just as you would in the PS4 by going into the settings of the game. Now, I downloaded this Fortnite game on the iPad from the App Store, as you know, and it's free to download on the App Store just as it is on the PS4. Here's a quick look at those settings. See? It looks just like the PS4. See? You can customize whatever you want. Builder Pro, everything. The graphics look great. I've never had any glitching. Looks great, sounds great. And I'm on Wi-Fi, obviously, because it's an iPad. I have it set to 120 frames per second, so it's extra smooth. I am very, very happy with this. Way happier than I ever thought I'd be. Why would you want to play on an iPad? Well, maybe your little brother's hogging the PlayStation. Or maybe your grandma's hogging the PlayStation. Maybe grandma's playing Fortnite. Just can't get Fortnite time in. Well, this solves that problem. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun. In order for this to work, you need iOS 13.2 or higher. So make sure you update your iPad to the most recent version, and you should be good to go. Cool thing is, you already have the equipment you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.